Points of interest, POI alerts. In this example, we will set up a POI alert so that if any vessel arrives at the port of Cape Town, South Africa, terminal 602, 603, and 604, we will get an alert. Alerts. One of the most useful features of Port Vision is its alerts, user-defined automatic real-time notifications to yourself and to others when predefined events occur. To use this feature, users click the Alerts tab at the top of the page. Here, you can see a running list of previously triggered alerts down the right-hand side of the page. You can also manage alerts or create a new alert. In this training module, we will discuss creating a new Points of Interest or POI alert. Step 1. Type Points of Interest, POI. This is just like a user zone alert, but instead of selecting a user-defined zone, select from thousands of predefined docks, terminals, buoys, and other points of interest already available within Port Vision 360. Click Next. Step 2. Properties, or setting up parameters for your new alert. Now that we know the type of alert, a POI alert, let's give this alert a name. How about Cape Town Terminal Alert? Next, specify the target point of interest of this alert. Our target point of interest, our POI, its name is Terminals 602, 603, and 604, Cape Town, South Africa. Next, we will need to specify an event to trigger this alert. For this example, let's select Zone Arrival. Additional filters, optional. Is there a fleet you would like to whitelist, or a fleet that you'd like to ignore getting the alerts for? For this example, we will select None. Click Next. Step 3. Recipients. Who will be receiving the alert? You can add groups to receive this alert. You can add different Port Vision users to receive this alert, or different accounts. And then we see that our account will receive this alert. Port Vision 360 training. You can also check in the upper right-hand corner that our account, or in your case, your account, will be getting that alert. You can add email recipients to get this alert. You can add a personal email here in this area. But for this example, we won't add an email. Next, how often will this alert be sent? For this example, let's select Reoccurring. Send alert no more than, let's say, once, or one every hour. Next, we will select the sound effect that we will receive once we get the alert. Alert notification type, let's select Priority with audio. Then under Alert Notification Audio, we can select from different sound effects: chime, doorbell, alternate chime, gradual beep, buzz, or firehouse. Let's select alternate chime. Here, you can test out your sound effect by pressing play and pressing stop to test out the different sound effects that you'd prefer to receive when you get the alert. Once you're satisfied with the recipient page, step 3, we'll click Next. And step 4, Summary. Here, you can review all your different alert parameters that you set up. You can go in and go back and edit an alert parameter if you choose. But if everything looks good and it's all okay, select Save Alerts, and your POI alert has been set up.